you want to create this Dear 2023? Thanks for the memories trending video and share it with your friends and family on TikTok and Instagram Reels? Well, this tutorial will show you how to do just that. You will only need the TikTok and CapCut applications for this. CapCut is free, so if you don't have it, go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and simply download it. The next step is to open the TikTok application, and now we have to find our template. In order to do that, we will go over to the search bar and then type camscut09. We have to open this specific TikTok account, and that is where we will find the template that we need. You want to open this video, and you will see the Dear 2023 Thank You for Memories text with some fireworks as the background. We have to tap on this button called CapCut, Try This Template, and then tap on the Use Template in CapCut. We will then wait a second or two until this template imports into our CapCut application. Once the template imports, you'll see a little preview on how your video should look like. So we want to add our photos and videos by tapping on the Use Template button at the bottom right corner of the screen. That will then open the photo gallery where we want to select around 19 or 20 photos or videos. And once you select them, you can tap on the Preview button and wait for your video to be created. This is the final result, so I hope that you will enjoy, and Happy New Year!